How to place a manual order with CustomCat. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to place a manual order with CustomCat. Whether you're ordering a product that hasn't been exported to your store yet, or one that's already listed, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's look at how to place an order for a product that hasn't been exported to your store. Once you're logged in, you'll see a few options on your dashboard. Click Order Now from the left navigation menu, or select Place Order from the quick links. Next, you'll need to choose the store where you want to place the order. Simply select your store. If you haven't connected a store yet, don't worry. Placing an order will automatically create a manual orders store for you. Now it's time to choose the products you want. Browse through the CustomCat catalog and select the items you'd like to order. After selecting a product, you'll be taken to the Product Details page, where you can alter the variant, changing size and color as you'd like, and also add a design. When adding a design, you can either upload a new design or pick one from your design library. Once you've made your selections, just click Next. To proceed to your cart, click Checkout. Before proceeding, take a moment to review your cart to make sure everything looks correct. If all looks good, click Proceed to Checkout to continue. At checkout, you'll need to enter your shipping address and payment information. You can also choose a shipping method. Economy shipping is the default, but if you're shipping to a U.S. address, there are expedited options available. Once you've made your shipping selections, click Continue to Payment to enter and confirm your payment information. Once everything is set, click Place Order to complete your purchase. You'll then be directed to the Order Confirmation page. Now you can track your order in the Orders section of your CustomCat account. On the Orders page, you can view and manage all your orders. See our tutorial on managing your orders for more information. Now let's go over how to place an order for a product that's already listed in your store. Keep in mind that the My Products feature is only available for certain integrations. To get started, click My Products in the left navigation menu. Then select your store. If you've made any recent changes to your e-commerce store, you may want to hit the Refresh button at the top of the product list to ensure everything is up to date. Now that you've refreshed the My Products page, find the product you want to order. Click the three dots next to it and choose Create an Order. From there, you'll select the variant you want to order and click the green Create an Order button. Review the details of your order, then select Proceed to Checkout when you are ready. At checkout, you'll review your order details. Since your payment information is already saved, you'll only need to enter your shipping address. Once everything looks good, click Place Order to complete it. If you'd like to track your order, you can refer to the Managing My Orders tutorial. Just note that tracking information for manual orders doesn't automatically sync to your e-commerce platform. And that's it. You've successfully placed and tracked a manual order with CustomCat. For more tutorials, FAQs, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit CustomCat.com.